The research question that guided our experiment was, are egocentric ideals present from a young age? Our hypothesis is, we don't expect anybody above the age of 4 to possess an egocentric mindset. The three terms that go with our project are egocentrism, which is being unable to view a situation from another person's point of view; the pre-operational stage, which takes place between 2 and 6 or 7, and is supposed to be when children show an egocentric mindset; and the concrete operational stage, which takes place between 6 or 7 until 12, and is when children can think with physical objects, thus ending an egocentric mindset.
Our experiment uses 2 policeman dolls and 1 criminal doll. The goal of the experiment is to have the participants hide the criminal from the policeman doll's line of vision. After we ask the participants to hide the doll from different angles, we position the policeman in a way that it's impossible to hide the criminal doll. If the participants are successful in hiding the doll and recognizing the impossible task, then they have passed the experiment and do not possess an egocentric mindset.
Participants, who were of all ages and both sexes, had no problem solving the simplest puzzle with 1 policeman. None of the participants had trouble solving the 2 policeman puzzle either. The only participants that had trouble recognizing an impossible situation were the 3 and 4-year-old participants. Yeah, where? Can you find anywhere? Here? Okay. All of the participants had no trouble recognizing the impossible task.
Perfect.
It can be observed that the 3-year-old, who was testing at the same time as the 4-year-old, did not take action to move the horse, even when asked directly, possibly pointing to a confusion on the task at hand, showing trouble because of an egocentric mindset. However, the 4, 5, and 7-year-olds, who are all in the range of the pre-operational stage, were able to solve the puzzle, which wouldn't have been possible with a purely egocentric mindset. That being said, the 4-year-old did not recognize the impossible task, again pointing to a confusion because of egocentric ideals.
Our experiment was based on the findings of Martin Hughes, who was one of many psychologists who criticized Piaget's 3-mountain experiment for being too confusing for the participants to solve. For our experiment, we used a story and character names to engage the participants to sympathize with the horse and motivate them to help the criminal hide. Our experiment used a greater level of familiarity and understanding than the 3 mountains experiment, and as a result, each of our participants above the age of 4 did not have any difficulty solving the task.